Okay, I think this is working now. Okay, Chris?
I hope so.
I hope so.
You gotta read the manual every time you use it.
Yeah, well, anyway. We're going to start firing a hole on this 41 Packard. Get this thing running for the first time today. Let's see what happens. We had a timing issue. We got to make sure we had the timing right. Had a little bit too far advanced. I think we got it right. Fire in the hole, Chris.
Alright, here we go.
Ooh, man.
Look
Look
at that.
at that. Nice and quiet. When she first came in, she had, how many lifters? One bad lifter?
Yeah, she had one, but we put them all in. Sounds good.
Sounds really, really good. Walk around her. Still got to put all the sheet metal back on.